Find some small sticks of walnut, glue them and splice them randomly. The production shared today is a small night light made of walnut wood. Its whole structure is very beautiful and creative. I believe you will feel incredible when you see the finished product. When they put it together, they put it in 4 layers, which gives it a square shape across the plane. Once the glue has set, you can cut it in half. Then I took a small piece of wood and put a bit of scotch tape on it. Here is mainly to give it an injection mold operation. After pasting the lower half of the block to put it on first, the position of the lower half is to wear some of the filament to it in advance, etc. Will also be to distribute these filaments to the middle of the lamp. Now attach 2 acrylic sheets to the sides of the wood. Attach it with a little hot melt glue, and insert the filament between the 2 pieces of wood. The next is to give it some resin modulation. Modulation can be added to some toner, so that its color is also more fresh. Once finished, it can be poured into the mold and polished after the glue has set. This one today is relatively simple in structure and easy to make. If you are interested in this production, you can click like and save the video. If you have a chance, you can also do it yourself. After all, it is difficult to buy such a beautiful night light if you go out to buy it. Now brush it with a bit of wood wax, and then polish it with a polisher, so that it can make the surface more shiny, but also more texture. At this point, the whole night light production is almost over. Let's take a look at its light effect. Is not very beautiful. If you had to rate this production, how would you rate it out of 10?